Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a how-to style video. It's going to be how to make peely in real life. Let's get to it.
What's up, guys?
Hello. I am 8-Ball. But that's not the Fortnite skin we're going to be making. We're not making 8-Ball. We are making peely. We've got Colin here, my little bro. He's going to be watching me do it. Ingredients. Banana. Googly eyes. And 4 toothpicks. So,
Make it.
First.
Can we both do two, please?
if you're going to do one too, then get a banana and ask Mom for more toothpicks. Okay, we're going to get started over here. So you have to, so we're going to have the banana like this.
You get the
Like
little
curved
old.
to the
You
side.
got a little old.
Okay.
Mom, can
So we're going to stick a toothpick in right here. Right here. These are the legs. The little peely.
What color? Needed yellow.
So, yep, we've got the legs. It comes over there. Picking out his. Got 1 toothpick. 2 toothpick. For the arms. See, we got this. Then, here's the harder part. Bubbly glue. Pop the bubble first. So you gotta get tiny glue. We gotta rip googly eyes open.
They're mine.
BRB. Colin will entertain you
Yeah,
as I look for scissors.
guys, we have I know. But look at my banana. And look at his.
Yeah, just entertain them.
And Friday.
Oh, I did mine like curved like this or like this.
I did mine like this.
Okay, so put that down. We're almost ready. Googly eyes are being opened.
Mom, look at.
Just getting out the googly eyes.
Googly eyes.
Okay, they're 2 different sizes, but it's peely, and
Yeah.
peely looks funny. We don't have a way to make a mouth. You guys at home be creative about making your mouth. We're not going to make a mouth because, it's us.
2 different.
We are
sizes.
creative, but we're already making the video, so
Can you do mine?
can't just look around the house right now. Got 1 googly eye. Boom. And this guy will be on our channel until he ripens too much. And then we'll probably build a monument of him in our Minecraft series. Boom. Then put the smaller eye
Nate.
on.
Can you put on mine?
Here is our banana. Have to wait for the eyes to dry. You have, Colin has the biggest size and the smallest size. I have a medium one and a small one. So, we're going to put some glue on here. Making Colin's. Colin, scooch a little bit. Look and see. Putting glue on the googly eye for Colin's. No. Oh, no. Okay.
I'm gonna make a mouth for mine.
How?
It's glitter glue.
But then the glitter glue will dry out and you won't be able to see it anymore. So Colin's trying to be creative and into a glitter glue mouth. But we all know that won't work. Here is Colin's banana.
My banana.
Here's my banana. We will keep them until they ripen.
Not mine.
What do you mean?
He's gonna stay on our channel forever.
But he's gonna get moldy.
I don't care. But he's
No, but then there's gonna be flies infesting our house. Oh yeah, I forgot the final step. Cause we're on this channel. We are
I need
end
a
up
mouth for mine.
banana with a bandana. He doesn't need a mouth because he has a bandana. And it usually covers your mouth when you have it like this, but no, we're good. Like
Guys,
this.
I'm here.
Guys, like this. What? Okay, Colin's not being creative. This isn't a creative idea. But if this works, we're gonna test it on Colin's because Colin's is less important. What? Try drawing a smile. It works. It works pretty well. Okay, we're just waiting, okay? Give me. Hey, you're not supposed to cap it when I get it next. Oh, yes. Yes. Just fine.
Now, guys, now there's just like a weird part, round part.
Here's the banana. We will make him a bandana. Don't mind my speaking. So yeah, we've got our Peely. Vote for Team Nate's Peely in the comments down below. Yeah, go in the comments and vote for whose is better.
Mine,
Or mine.
and he can go in pools, guys. Vote for mine. He's gonna like vote like little people.
Vote for mine. I'm better than him. This is my channel. Vote for me.
Vote for.
Don't get so close to the camera. Jeez.
Vote for him.
The viewers don't like looking at your face. Except for if you show them your cool hairstyle. Turn around. You gotta show them your amazing hairstyle. Cause I never get hairstyles. I just get my hair super short like this. But then look at Colin. You can really see it from this angle. You know? Yeah. So that's it for our making
He's bleeding right there.
bananas videos with Peely.
He's bleeding, guys.
Okay, whatever. So that's pretty much it. How to make Peely. You know? Comment down below whose was better.
Yeah.
Mason, I know you're out there. You should comment. I know you can comment.
If
Jonah,
he
I know
like
you can
this.
comment. I know Declan can comment. Just only comment if the comments aren't turned off. You guys are amazing. Colin, what do we say at the end of my videos?
I don't know. Bye-bye.
We say goodbye, viewers. You're the best. You're amazing. If you
Look it.
don't get so close to the camera, jeez. But anyways, what was I gonna say?
Guys.
I completely forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yes. No, that's not okay. We will have a live stream soon if you view all my videos, because apparently, according to Jonah, you can put that down now. Apparently, according to Jonah, you need 1,000 views in total. Colin is getting there. He has like 362 views in total.
Mom,
I'm only at like
bowl and put it
130 something or 140 something, 150, somewhere around there. So, like, subscribe, ring that bell. You guys are amazing. I'm amazing too, because, it's me. And
What? Tuesday.
you hold both of our bananas as I'm the cameraman. Okay, wait.
Wait, you can hold them from here, okay, guys, if you want to.
Okay, guys.
Or you can take that.
Just show them the faces.
The
Bye!